Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to remove Talkback on Android to stop your device from reading the screen aloud. This guide will help you navigate your settings easily to disable this feature. So now let's get started. For step 1, you need to open the settings menu on your Android device by tapping the gear icon located in your app drawer or notification panel. Accessing the settings is the primary way to manage your phone's accessibility features and ensure the device behaves exactly how you want it to. In step 2, use the search bar at the top of the settings menu to type in Talkback and then select the corresponding result from the list. Searching directly is the fastest way to find this specific tool without having to dig through multiple layers of complex accessibility menus. During step 3, look for the option labeled Use Talkback and tap the switch to toggle it off, which will immediately stop the voice feedback. This action is the most important part of the process because it restores standard touch navigation and removes the green selection boxes from your screen. For step 4, make sure to also toggle off the Talkback shortcut option located right below the main switch to prevent it from turning on by accident. Disabling this shortcut ensures that specific button combinations or screen gestures won't re-enable the feature while your phone is in your pocket or being handled. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips